Hi everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited to participate in Jaded Blossom October challenge. I'm going to create this adorable card, so let me share with you how I made it. I have here a boy gnome die, but I'm not going to use it. And the start of the show is the GNOME Dies Christmas add-on 1, which I'm going to use along with the girl gnome die, and I will show it to you in a second. Also, I'm going to use the snowman dies. I die cut some elements for Mrs. Claus out of white cardstock, then I color them using distress inks. Here is a girl gnome die, and you have to have this die because it's the base that helps you create different gnome themes by using different add-on dies. They have so many add-on. So I cut the whole dice sheet using white cardstock, in order to color them with distress inks. Now let's assemble Mrs. Claus. So I adhere the dress to the gnome girl body. Then I colored her shoes, popped them up by using square foam adhesive. From the add-on dies, I picked up her hair and her hat. To be honest, I didn't like her yellow hair, so I covered it with a gray distress oxide ink, which also I didn't like how it turned out. So I die cut her hair again out of a cream cardstock, and I think it looks fine. So I glued her hat, her apron, and her glasses. I used tattered rose distress oxide, to color her body. I glued the berry leaves, and I used liquid pearls, for the berries to give kind of dimension. I decided to let Mrs. Claus carry a yummy cookie because her friend is going to carry a milk for her. For my panel, I used striped design paper by Pink Fresh Studio, and this collection called Let's Stay Home. I cut my panel into 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now let's make the snowman. Again, I die cut everything using white cardstock, color the snowman accessories, with distress inks. I don't know, but I feel it's really easier to use inks to color rather than using or cutting different color cardstock. Let me know in the comment, how do you like to color your die cuts? So again, it's a straightforward, assembling the snowman. Also, you have a picture or a sample in your packaging to know which die belong to which snowman, or you can mix and match. So I let the snowman carry the milk for Mrs. Claus, and I think the card turned so cute. So that's my tutorial for today. I hope you liked my card. I will leave the links in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.